What's good? It's your boy Coach T, and welcome back to the Mud Talk Radio channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because if you're into fashion, sports, life, and culture, then you're into this channel. Let's go. So I'm back with another video today, man, and y'all already know, man, I told y'all it's Monday and Friday. That's the schedule. We sticking to it, with the exception of a Wednesday video, man. If y'all feeling a Wednesday video that is not sneaker related, let me know, man. We're gonna try to focus on fashion content on Wednesdays. If y'all want it. If y'all want it, drop it in the comment section below. But if not, man, we're gonna keep doing our thing, man. Today, I got another review for you. So I got the box right here. And as you can see, man, this is a Jordan 1 box. Nothing too spectacular about it. It's black and white. If you know, you know. Let's read what's inside of the box. We have the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. The colorway is black, white, and white. That's a size 12 right there, man. Can y'all see it? Come a little closer. That's a bit. All right, so top is off of the box. Nothing too crazy, man. Brown top box. I heard that, I think, from Superfly Kicks, man. So that term just kind of flew out my mouth like I said it before, man. Shout out to Superfly, man. OG for real, man. All right. This shoe is wrapped up pretty well, man. You know, they've been doing this with Jordan 1s lately, wrapping these joints up individually. So I'm gonna have to really unwrap it, unlayer it. They spend a lot of extra money on this. Maybe that's why they went up on the price, to give us extra paper. I don't know. All right, man, so we got the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, black and white. And I'm gonna be honest, bro, it ain't really too much going on with this shoe, man. I mean, it's black and white, man. Y'all remember the 85s last year? This is not those, but they are very, very similar. Let's get into the breakdown of the shoe. All right, so we got the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, black and white. And I'm gonna be honest, my initial reaction on this shoe is exactly what it was when I seen it online on the sneakers app, on the list of sneakers to be released for 2024. And that was that this looks very similar to the 85, the Jordan 1 that was cut different last year. That was black and white. Of course, the black and white was in different areas. But, you know, for a retail price point of, I believe these were $190, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe $190. We'll fact check that. I don't even know. I just walked in House of Hoops and picked these up, and the receipt was emailed to me, so ain't no receipt in that bag, right? But anyway, my wife was checking on me. You know what I'm saying? That's why you gotta get you a woman, man. Somebody's gonna have your back and really support you. But anyway, man, listen. When I saw this shoe, I was like, yo, if I really needed a black and white shoe, I'm talking about something that I could really wear with anything, I would pick these up. But I already have a black and white shoe that I wear with anything, and that's my Pandas. Y'all can say what y'all want about Pandas. I know the hype done died down. Y'all don't like them no more. As a matter of fact, there are people in the sneaker community that really rag on people that still wear Pandas. I don't know why. Like, I personally like my Pandas. I love every pair that I've owned, including the pair that I paid resale for when the hype was ridiculous at the beginning. If you don't have a black and white shoe, or if you want a different alternate black and white shoe, then this would be a good pickup for you. Something you can throw on with anything and wear with just about anything. Now, with that being the only thing I thought about with this shoe, initially, the second part is that I wanted to see what the quality looked like on this shoe, because the color blocking to me isn't exactly what I would have done. Like if I would have designed a shoe, I feel like the white is just, you got the white on the midsole, then boom, right into more white. Right into more white. It's nothing that really breaks that up, with the exception of this little bit of black going right here. But the quality overall is not bad. The leather isn't A1, you know what I'm saying? This is an okay shoe at best. All right, so let's get into what I like to call the quality control segment of this video, where we grab the second shoe out and we take a look at, did Nike do a really good job or not with this shoe? As my golden doodle, Monty, who made a cameo in the last video, man. You know what I'm saying? He down here below. He ain't about to get on the camera today. I think he want to. That's why he over here playing with his toy. But anyway, man, we got the second shoe out real quick, and we're just gonna take a look, man, and see how Nike did on this shoe. Any type of issues, glue stains, stitching issues, scuffs, and just right here on the back. And again, that's why, and it's not that noticeable, but you got white midsole, boom, right into the white right here, and more white. But in between that, there is a little scuff or scratch right there, and a little bruising on the back. No creasing. Again, this leather is not that great. You know, this is a shoe that I've watched a lot of people post about how they got the shoe for $130 before it came out, or even less than that. And I believe it, you know, because nobody purchased these shoes, you know what I'm saying? And I want to talk about how I walked in the House of Hoops and picked this shoe up. They didn't even have this shoe advertised. They didn't have it in a box in the front. They didn't have it on the counter or anything. So it's almost like they knew the shoe wasn't that good, and so they wasn't even trying to put in the extra effort to make people buy the shoe. And it was a Saturday, so I'm like, yo, that's kind of crazy. I asked about the shoe, asked if they have a size 12. I think it was about 4:20 p.m. or 4:30 or something. We was in the store. The attendant working in the store was like, hey, you gotta wait another 30 minutes or whatever till 5 o'clock, and then I can sell the shoes off that people entered raffles for, won the raffle, and then pick up. Again, man, can you explain to me why? And I would love to hear this before we continue this video. Why do you enter a raffle if you don't want the shoe? Now, I do understand the hustle. You know what I'm saying? A shoe that we didn't anticipate being big might end up being big, like my Black Cat 4s. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't a shoe that I thought was ever going to be as big as it is today. You know what I'm saying? I bought those shoes. I wore them one time. I think I wore them to like the gun range or something like that. And that was it, you know, and I got rid of the shoe because they sat in my closet for a whole year. All these years later, if I want a size 12 and a Black Cat 4s, I'm going to pay $1,300 or something crazy like that. Didn't anticipate it. So I get why people get into raffles and they plan on maybe grabbing a shoe that might go up in price, but y'all know the market right now. Ain't even no point of y'all entering these raffles to not pick up the shoes. And then I had to wait till 5 o'clock, all because none of y'all picked them up. But anyway, man, get off my soapbox about that. I was able to pick up the shoe. Nobody was advertising the shoe. And I didn't find that weird, but it was a little bit weird because it was Saturday. You know what I'm saying? It was Saturday, and they should be advertising sneakers on a Saturday in the mall during tax season. Y'all know during tax season, people just going in there just buying any type of shoes. You know what I mean? It don't even matter. It could say Jordan on it. It could be a pair of Team Jordans. They're gonna buy them for their kids, you know? So they really should have had this shoe on display. If I was the manager of that sneaker store, this joint would have been in the box in the front so people could cop them. But overall, man, this shoe right here, Nike did a pretty decent job with the quality control. Nothing too crazy, man. They did pretty good. So as always, man, we gotta talk about styling. I said always, I take that back because I did skip the styling portion on a couple videos. Y'all got me on that. Hey, my wife pointed it out, but we're gonna talk about it today, man. Listen, it's a black and white sneaker again. The Raw Melon hoodie. I'm not doing this on purpose. Y'all know I'm gonna wear my stuff in my videos because I'm always gonna promote the brand. If you haven't already, click the link in the description box below, man, and go to Raw Melon Apparel over on Instagram, and go to the website rawmelonclothing.com and go copy one of these hoodies while supplies last. This is one of my most recent drops, about a week and a half ago, so we still got some sizes available. But this shoe actually go perfect with this hoodie for real. Throw on you some joggers, throw this hoodie on, boom. Or some flare joggers, boom. You know what I'm saying? Some jeans, boom, you in the game. Like, I don't really see how you can go wrong. It is a black and white shoe. The hoodie is black and white, gang. You can't go wrong, man. So very easy colorway to style with the black and white. I think you can dress this shoe up. You can dress it down. Now, I ain't gonna say I think. I know you can dress this shoe up. I know you can. You don't have to put that much effort. It's black and white. It really don't require that much. As a matter of fact, this is a shoe for people that have issue styling sneakers. Go grab this one right here. It ain't gonna be hard. You can just throw it on with anything you got on, gang. I don't care what colors you got on. You can just pick these up, boom, throw them on. You good going out the door. You ain't gonna look crazy, gang. So this is a shoe for you. This is a shoe for you, black and white right here, man. But yeah, it's very easy to style, man. I can see this shoe being done a bunch of different ways. Again, black and white. Not too many details to really discuss, but because it's black and white, that makes it very, very easy for you to put on. So before we get out of here, man, I gotta make sure I give y'all, unless I fix my mic real quick, I gotta make sure I give you guys a rating on this shoe, man. I really thought about it for a while because when I was like, man, I'm about to do a review on this sneaker, I never want to bring anything to this channel that I don't deem to be fashionable. Now, I may have a different opinion about a shoe, whether it's really a really good opinion, you know, from the viewer's perspective, or it's a bad opinion from the viewer's perspective. But nonetheless, I'm gonna bring you my opinion. But if I bring it to this channel, in most cases, I'm gonna say in 100% of the time, I'm bringing you a shoe that I deem to be fashionable, because I tell y'all this channel is about fashion, life, culture, and sports. So it's not about sneaker collecting, right? It's not about letting sneakers collect dust and like some, you know, hype beast stuff. This is about really being able to put it on. What shoe do I believe had the potential for you to look as fly as possible when you outside? You know what I'm saying? Because we about to be outside for real. Daylight saving time on the wave, gang. It ain't about to be dark at 6 o'clock no more. So you're gonna wanna pop out and be outside for a little bit. And so that's what this channel is about. We're about talking about shoes that are gonna help you stand out and really look good and feel good. You know what I'm saying? So this is a shoe that I would consider to be one of those. It is not a hype sneaker by any means. It's not a hype sneaker by any means, but the black and white color scheme makes it very easy for you to dress up or dress down. And because of that, I'm gonna give it a rating that I believe is a little bit higher than the lowest rating I ever gave on this channel. I think the lowest rating was, I think I gave it out last year. I don't know. Was it a 4? I think I gave a shoe a 4, I think last year. I gave a shoe a 4 last year, but it still was a shoe I did say I would keep. This shoe is gonna be higher than a 4, but not that much higher, gang, for a retail price point of $180. Whoo, we gonna go 5 out of 10, man. We're going 5 out of 10 for the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, black and white. Tell me if you think that's too high. Tell me if you think that's too low. If it's too low, why? If it's too high, why? Drop it in the comment section below. But you know the saying, guys, love is free, hate costs. You've been watching Mud Talk with your boy, Coach T. I'm out.
Subscribe, like, comment, hit that post notification.
Oh yeah, you heard it first and foremost.
Go hit the like, go subscribe, go all that.
All that, man.